Morality is not the power of God to salvation. In as much as when you are saved, your moral life will show it. Speaking the truth is not the power of God unto salvation, even though if you are saved, it should show. The power of God unto salvation is the gospel. The gospel that you must believe is why Paul said, I am not ashamed of the gospel of Christ. It says it is the power of God unto salvation. Therefore, if any man be in Christ, he is a new creature. It says all things are passed away, and behold, all things have become new. All things are of God, who hath reconciled us to himself by Christ Jesus. And the emphasis there is, and hath given us the ministry of reconciliation. It is possible for people to say, oh, God sent me to give an emphasis to the body. My emphasis is relationship. My emphasis is faith. Or my emphasis is finances. I understand